In this video, I'll show you how to remove the radio of your first generation Honda Pilot. So to remove this radio, it's quite easy actually. You need a screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, or maybe even a knife could do the job. And we need to put it right on the top here and unclip the bezel around the radio. You see, it already unclipped just by doing it. So continue doing this from the top, unclip all the clips behind, and if you cannot, you see over here I had a bit of trouble, you can go down below and try to unclip that clip instead. Take your hands, try to pull it out, and at the end of the day it should come out. Here we go. Now this bezel is still attached with some cables and you need to remove them. For example, this right side cable, you just need to push on a tab on the right side and pull at the same time. You can put it on the side so it does not get in the way, but I suggest you remove the other connectors as well, simply by pushing the tab and pulling the connector like that. Set this aside. And now for the radio, there are a few screws. Okay, you can use a Phillips head screwdriver. Okay, there is one over there and one on the top. I'll start with the one on the top. Here I'm at a scrapyard, so I don't care losing those screws, but if you're gonna reuse it, be careful so they don't fall inside the dash. For the lower screw, I had a bit of difficulty since it's deep inside the dash, so I will use, instead of a Phillips head screwdriver, this 8mm socket. Both are working. This is great. So if you didn't have a screwdriver, you can use a 8mm socket. Same thing on the other side. There's two screws at the same spot but on the left side, so I'll remove this one and the one on the top. Okay, perfect. Now you can take the radio with two hands and pull it out simply by, well, pulling it towards you. Now there's a few clips, as you see. Take the screwdriver. Okay, it's easier to take it with a screwdriver and push on the tab and pull up. The connectors will release, and then for the last one, this is the antenna. You just need to pull it out. Now if you want to replace this radio with a similar one or even a different one, you will need the brackets that are on the side, on each side of the radio. So take again an 8mm socket or a Phillips head screwdriver and remove the bracket, because you're going to reuse it on your new radio. So you see, it looks like this. You just have to put it on the new unit after that. Same thing on the other side. And yeah, this is it. This is how you remove the radio on your first gen Honda Pilot. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, and I'll see you in the next one.